Hi guys, in the previous session we have discussed about the MongoDB and its internal structure. We have also discussed about the how do we extract or explore the MongoDB databases or collection of documents using command shell and R. So today in this session we will talk about how through Python we can able to access the MongoDB. So guys, now let us talk about the few libraries which help us to connect or to establish the connection between MongoDB and Python. So guys, the pandas as PD, these are the basic libraries for data frame or setting the working directory. So OS help us to set the working directory. PyMongo is the library which establish the connection between the Python and the MongoDB. Okay, so from MongoDB I'm importing the Mongo client. So and pprint is the library to help us to print the functions. JSON to convert your data frame into a JSON format. Okay, so guys, let me load this library first. So as there are 4 or 5 libraries, so it takes some time. So guys, I have loaded all these libraries. So this line of code I have commented, but suppose example, if you want to install the any library, you need to write the not command, then pip install pymongo. You don't need to open the command line or type the pip install some library name. Instead of this, you can load or you can install the library from the Jupyter prompt. Okay, so I have already installed it, so I'm not running this line of code. So let me set the working directory first. So let us cross check. So this is the working directory I'm going to use. So guys, now let us establish the connection with MongoDB. So Mongo client is the function which I have imported here on the top. If you look at this, so this function will help you to establish the connection. So guys, as a part of argument, we can provide the host name, but here I'm not providing the host name, because if you do not do not provide the host name, it will automatically take it as a local host. Suppose if you want if you have a MongoDB installed in some other servers, you need to provide the IP of that. Okay, so here my port number is 27017. So I need to mention that port number, because in my system I have multiple ports on which I am running multiple different applications, but on this port number I am running the MongoDB. So let me establish the connection, and I have stored the connection in the channel object. Okay, so guys, now we have established the connection. Now let us check. Now we need to select a proper database in which I want to do some operations. So guys, as we have already looked at, there are different databases like advisor or local or admin database. So here I want to connect to the advisor database. So the channel is the medium or the connection dot advisor. Advisor is my database name. So I am storing this database selected data into the select_db object. So let me run this line of code. So guys, now I have assigned, or I have given or selected the advisor database for my further operations. Okay, so guys, now I want to see in this database how many collections are available. So basically in this database, how many tables are available. So guys, select DB. So this is the object in which I have selected the DB, which is advisor. Select DB dot collection_names. So collection_names is the function in the PyMongo library which help us to extract the different data collections available in the database advisor. Okay, so let me run this line of code. So guys, I have executed successfully. Now let us see what are the different collections available in this database. So guys, look at this. Titanic_data set is the only one collection available in the data in this advisor database. So guys, I have not selected the default database as I have already provided a condition that include system collections, which means that include the default collection equal to false. It means that I have already excluded in my code, so that's why it just provide the the collection which we have inserted after creating the data. Okay, so this is the collection name which I want to explore. Okay, so guys, now let us set the collection name. So for example, in one database or in one MongoDB instance, we can have a multiple databases. So now out of that, we have selected the advisor dataset. Advisor database may contain the multiple collections. Now first we need to select the set the particular collection which we want to explore. So guys, now let us first set the collection. So this is my collection name, so I am selecting this collection name. Okay, so guys, now let us extract the one document from this collection, just to have a feel of how the data is stored in MongoDB and how the data extracting from MongoDB into the Python. So ppprint is the function to print the document, and select underscore collection is the collection which I have selected, which is my Titanic underscore dataset. Dot find one. Find one is the function which extract only one observation or one document from this collection. So let me run this line of code. So guys, look at this. So this is my randomly one document I have extracted from the Titanic underscore dataset collection. Age is 35, cabin, embarked, fare, name of the passenger, passenger ID, P class. So this is how the data is stored in a form of key value pairs. So guys, what you can do is, you can, instead of one, you can extract, if you want to explore all whole collection, you can extract it and convert into a pandas data frame and do operations on the top of it. Okay, so guys, now let us extract data from MongoDB. Okay, now I want to extract whole data, which is my Titanic data set. I want to extract whole data into the MongoDB. So in this line of code, I have extracted only one observation. Now I want to extract the whole database. So let me run this line of code. So guys, I have extracted the whole database and stored in cursor object. So here in the cursor object, we have stored the JSON format. Now I want to convert this JSON format into a pandas data frame. So pd.dataFrame will convert your JSON format list text into a proper data frame and stored in the result object. So let me run this line of code. So guys, now let us explore the result object. So if I want to see the class of this object, which is the data frame. Okay, suppose example, if I want to see the head, I want to see the top two observations, so I can able to see the top two observations in the result object. Okay, so guys, now we have established the connection and we have extracted the one observation. We have also extracted the whole all the observations or all the documents in a collection. Okay, now imagine that now I want to store the CSV file into the MongoDB. So till now we have imported the data from MongoDB to Python. Now I want to export the data from Python to MongoDB back. Okay, so guys, now let us load some data into the Python. So I have imported the tf.csv, which is stored in my working directory, which I have already set. So the new data is the empty cars dataset. So let me explore the top two observations. So guys, look at this. So this is the dataset. This is empty cars data. Now let us check the shape of this data. Okay, we do not need this. So it contains the 32 observations and 11 variables. Okay, now this is my proper data frame. So what I will do first is I will convert this into a first JSON format, and then that JSON I will export into the MongoDB. Okay, so guys, json.loads is the function which converts our pandas data frame into a proper JSON format, and I am storing this JSON file into the new data underscore JSON. Okay, so let me run this line of code. So here json.loads is a function, and new data is my pandas data frame. t.toJSON is the function which convert into a JSON format. So let me run this line of code. Let us cross check. So guys, type of, so guys, look at this. This is in the form of dictionary values, which is nothing but the key value pairs. Okay, so guys, now let us insert this JSON file into the MongoDB advisor database. So guys, I am selecting the database here. So here select underscore DB is nothing but my advisor database, and I want to give a collection name which is my empty cards, because this is the data is all about the empty cards. So I am providing the new collection name which is my empty cards dot insert. Insert is a line, insert is a function which help us to insert the JSON file or nothing but the number of documents into the advisor database, and it named as the empty cards collection. So let me run this line of code. Okay, so guys, look at this. I have inserted all the documents iteratively. Okay, so guys, now let us see the collections available in this data set. So guys, now let us see what are the different collections available. Initially it was only Titanic dataset. Now we will see how many collections are there now. So guys, look at this. Initially it was Titanic underscore dataset. Now it has the empty cards which we have uploaded here. Okay, so guys, this is how we work on Python, and this is how we import or export the data from MongoDB to Python or from Python to MongoDB. Okay, so guys, now let us look at the last but not the least line of code which help you to drop the collection. Suppose example, if I want to drop the collection, so here I have two collections, Titanic underscore dataset and empty cards. If I want to drop some collections from the database, so this is a line of code. Select underscore DB, I'm selecting my database. So this is the collection I want to drop. Dot drop is a function. So let me run this line of code. So guys, now logically I should have only one collection which is my empty cards. Okay, so but it is not actually, because we have not provided the proper name. So let me run again. So guys, let me run this line of code. Now you will see only one collection because we have dropped the Titanic underscore dataset. Okay, so guys, with this we have completed this Mongo and Python session. So hope you guys have enjoyed this connecting to MongoDB using R and Python. Okay, so guys, keep on learning things. So see you in the next session. Till then, happy learning.